Hello guys, welcome to Bella Family Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make ogbono soup. You can see all the ingredients. This is chicken, dried chicken. This is ogbono, I have not mixed it. This is the starfish. You can see the starfish. You can see the salt. You can see the bitter leaf here. The pepper, the grounded crayfish, the oil, and the fish, roasted fish. And the meat I'm going to use is here. You can see it. Right now, I'm going to mix the red oil with the ogbono. You have to mix it together. I have mixed the red oil with the ogbono. I'm going to put it inside so that it can melt. I have to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Right now, my ogbono has melted. I want to turn it inside the water I'm used to cook the meat. After turning it, I have to start mixing it. You can see it. The soup is almost ready to turn it, and after turning it, you leave it for some time. Right now, I've already put my pepper. This is the crayfish. I have to turn the crayfish inside. You can see the chicken. I have to turn the chicken inside. And the starfish. Everything together. You can see the fish. I have to put the fish inside. The soup is going to be yummy. You can see everything. You can see it. I have to add my bitter leaf. I have added the bitter leaf inside. Right now, I have to add all the meat. You can see the meat. You can see the momo. All the meat is here now inside. You can see the momo here. I like it when it's big.